Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change a Ford Fusion key fob battery. Start by locating the small seam and release notch along the fob edge, then use a flat tool to gently pry it open. Remove the old CR2032 battery carefully, note the battery orientation, and avoid touching the new battery with bare fingers to prevent oil transfer. Keep the circuit board safe and proceed slowly to avoid bending contacts. Begin by inserting a small flathead or plastic pry tool into the notch and twist gently until the case halves separate. Lift the top cover and identify the battery clip or retaining tab. Release it or slide it aside to free the old CR2032. Place the new CR2032 with the positive side facing up and ensure it sits flush under the clip. Close the case until it snaps and confirm all. After closing the case, press each seam to ensure a firm fit and an audible snap along the perimeter for a secure reassembly. Stand near your vehicle and test lock, unlock, and trunk functions to confirm the new CR2032 restored operation. If any button is unresponsive, reopen the fob, reseat the battery, and inspect the contacts for corrosion or bent leads. Repeat testing and replace the battery again only if necessary to rule out a faulty cell.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.